So everyone says New Zealanders, Australians and English sound the same. We're here to prove you wrong. So say no.
No. No.
Say six.
6. 6.
Say chili bin.
Esky. Cooler.
Say lolly.
Lolly. Sweets.
Say jandals.
Thongs. Flip-flops.
What do you call a footpath?
A sidewalk path.
Say garage.
Garage. Garage.
What about Achilles?
Achilles. Achilles.
Yeah, see, exactly.